Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. In this video I want to show you how to install a free VPN on your Honor 50 phone. First, I have to tell you that a free VPN is not too safe to work with or view banned content because free VPN doesn't protect your private data. Let's get started. As you can see, 2IP service show that I'm in Poland now. But now, open Play Store, open the search, and here type Turbo VPN and tap search. Open Turbo VPN and choose install button. Open, choose start now, choose cross on the right corner, wait a while. Cool. Now in the top right corner of the screen there is a globe. By clicking on it you can choose which country to connect to. Then click OK, choose United Kingdom for example, choose London, choose OK, wait a while, and fine, we are connected successfully. So open 2IP again, reload this page, and now we can see that we are in United Kingdom now. So thank you for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and goodbye, see you.